everyone and welcome back to my channel. He surprised everyone as the age was the only hurdle. I am talking about Dick Van Dyke performed on the Max Singer at the age of 97, and really this is a big surprised by the legend. So before moving to the review, it is my request to subscribe my channel. Subscribe now, like this video and share with friends. Dick Van hoped that age is just a number as he left everyone speechless during the season 9 premiere, The Masked Singer Wednesday. He is now 97-year old and it is a big surprise by Hollywood legend as he emerged as the Gnome in what was described as your greatest reveal ever. With judge and everyone was in tears as he was unmasked. The Tony, Emmy, Grammy winner performed the hit track When You Are Smiling by Frank Sinatra. This is the most seasoned and most decorated we have on our show. Ladies and gentlemen, said host Nick Cannon, 42-year-old, as iconic actor, revealed his identity. This is the end of review. Soon we'll come with more details. Subscribe my channel, like this video and share with friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.